Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of what's a dual action dethatcher, and they call it a scarif, but basically it kind of mulches up the dirt. I'm going to give you all the specs on this cool device that is electric, how much it weighs, how does it do what it does that it's supposed to do, and the collection bag and all that fun stuff. All right, the first thing is that this is fully adjustable and will break down into pretty much a carryable piece of equipment. It is not heavy at all. I mean, we're talking 10 pounds, maybe 10 pounds, maybe 15 pounds, not that heavy. It can be adjusted to the user's height. So at the top here, roughly, let's just say close to 4 feet here at the top. It has handles that are easy to grip. This can all be adjusted with these easy to use adjustable clips. And once it's completely folded down, it's less than 20 inches tall, so it can be very, very compact. The overall width is right at about 24, 25 inches left to right. The depth on it is roughly 30 inches from tip to the back of the collection bag. Assembly, once it arrives, takes about 15 minutes and everything is included. No special tools or anything are required. It also comes with a wall mount, so for hanging it like out of space, it has bolts, anchors. It can be bolted up on the wall and hung nice and neat. The clips are easy to use. You just give it a little spin and then lock it into place. So it has two different pieces underneath. One is a dethatching tool. This is 16 inches wide, and that's to pull up all, like, let's just say dead grass and debris that's kind of like really worked into the soil. The overall height can be adjusted with the same clips and can be extremely low based on the user's preference. The wheels are a hard plastic. The rear wheel is about 6.5 inches and the front is about 7.5 inches. The overall construction of this is made out of like a high impact hard plastic. The collection bag looks like this. It will hold 14.5 gallons of old grass clippings. Clips into place, nice and neat. Also has one lever for adjusting the overall height. The lowest level, you're gonna get about 1 inch off the dirt, and all the way up. All 4 wheels go up, and your deck height is about 3 inches right here. The two different pieces can be adjusted with this quick release. Just give it a spin. This pops out. Take it out. It's got bearings. It's very nice made. This is like some kind of like stainless steel. Very aggressive to kind of get the dirt and everything churned up. You line up the bolts. And then you lock it in place. Now you've switched out the blade in all of about 60 seconds. When it's plugged in, to prevent this from automatically turning on just by going like this on the handle, it's required to press this button first. And that's just to prevent accidents from occurring. Now this is electric, but this is definitely working the grass down, collecting clippings, very aggressive, 15.5 amps and 16 inches wide. So depending on the lawn size, that can kind of give you an idea of how much time it might take, but as long as you got a long enough extension cord, you are good to go. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Is it light? Is it easy to use? Does it do what it's meant to do? Definitely a call out. This thing being extremely light, and with the wheels being large enough, it kind of just pushes right through. Easy to use, especially if you're not wanting to put a lot of effort strength-wise into kind of pushing something. The convenience of having sort of a dual action dethatcher and the the Scarif that kind of gets the dirt all kind of churned up to take care of the lawn is a nice benefit, especially with the quick release. Hopefully all your questions were answered, and we'll talk to you soon.